Everybody, I am excited to share with you guys my new Stamperia products. So I fell in love with Stamperia when I went to Creativation. I've known about Stamperia for quite a long time. I just have never purchased anything. And I am going to change that for sure. I have a couple other things, but this is a little bit bigger haul. Nothing too much, but it's a start. But I wanted to share with you guys because I know some of you really appreciate when I share new companies on my channel, ones that you might not have heard of before. So yeah, let's get started. Oh, before I do get started, I have Nikki's Etsy shop listed down below. That's where I purchased all of these items. So be sure to check it out if you want any of these items. I don't know exactly what is still in stock at this moment, but I'm sure she will be getting more in stock soon if anything is out. All right, so I picked up these Mechanical Seaworld stencils. I absolutely love these. These ones. These are measure 15 by 20 centimeters. So this company, I believe, is based out of Budapest. All right, so those are the stencils. I love them. All right, and then the mold, which I'm so excited about, and I love that this is something different than you see from other companies doing molds, just big statement pieces. So this is like the top has that old school diving helmet, and then the bottom has the octopus tentacles, I believe they're called. And then there's like gears in there, and just it's so cool. So there's that. And then what I'm super excited about is the Seahorse. And you could see here I used some of this modeling material, which isn't my favorite, but I do have it, so I want to use it up. Whoops. And so I created that. Me and Abby kind of played around with the mold and did a few of them. And she loved these fish because they have gears and stuff on them. I know you probably cannot see, but yeah, they're really, really cool. Very steampunk style. All right, so that is the mold. And then I finally picked up some rice paper. There has been many people asking me to use rice paper. How do you use it? What do you use it on? I don't have any, but now I do. I didn't have any, I should say, but now I do. So I am going to figure it out and play around with it. My favorite is this one, although these ones are gorgeous. The prints and the images on here. The glare is horrendous. All right, there we go. The images and the colors are just gorgeous. So there's that one, and then there's this one here. So this is what this looks like in the mold, just a little bit bigger. So gives you an idea. Pretty cool. But this one is probably my favorite. The blues and the purples, just so pretty. I can't wait to see what I can do with this paper. All right, so I got some of the rice paper, and these measure 21 by 29 centimeters. And then I got some cuts and scraps. So these are just chipboard. I believe this is like a 12 by 12 sheet. Yes. You could see kind of the back a little bit better. Well, maybe if I didn't have the glare in there. Love this. This piece is so big. Let me see if it goes. Yeah. Goes all the way like this. Super, super cool. All right, so I got that. And then I got, move this out of the way here. Then I got the Oriental Garden. So if you don't know, I am 30% Japanese. I did one of those Ancestry DNA. I already knew I was Japanese, but I absolutely fell in love with this paper collection when I saw it at Creativation. And then I also picked up the die cuts. So these are like chipboard pieces, elements that you can use in maybe like a mini album or something. So I thought that was pretty cool, and I love just the grunginess and like the mixed media look and feel to this paper. Really, really pretty. I love this one. So, so pretty. So I love, love, love this. All right. Oh, you could see the back a little bit better. All of the papers, and then there looks like quotes and different things on the back. Pretty cool. All right, move those out of the way. And then I got, let me move this stuff out of the way actually. Then I got the Mechanical Seaworld. So I do have the 8x8 collection that I purchased quite a while ago from Simon Says Stamp. I think I said that already in the beginning of the video. I've tried to film this probably 20 times. I can't talk today. I have been not feeling very well lately due to some minor health things, but I think my head is a little bit foggy and stuff. But anyways, here is the Mechanical Seaworld. And then I got these. I didn't realize that these, I thought they were etched, but they're still pretty cool. Not exactly sure how I'm going to color them because I don't want that detail to go away, but we'll see what happens. But I got two of these because I absolutely love the Seahorse. All right, so then I got these molds here. I think these are more like texture plates, I think they're called, or something along those lines. I can't remember exactly, but they're very thin, and Stamperia does have their own paste that you can use in here, but I actually used the Prima icing paste. I remembered a while ago when the icing paste came out that people were using it with their embossing folders, and this basically is like the same thing. It's plastic, so I thought, you know what, I'll try it. If anything, this icing paste would probably come up with, you know, if I soaked it in water or something. So I gave it a try, and it worked, although you have to put it on thicker than I had imagined. So that's why some of it is missing, because I just put it in a little bit too thin, and also I was a little bit impatient. I knew that this one should have dried a little bit more, but that is that. So you can use this, wrap it around a book, or just all kinds of different options. And then this one is pretty cool too. So this one looks like this. And this one I did do a little bit thicker, as you could see. But you could see the back where it kind of just goes in there into the mold. And yeah, I'm not really too worried or concerned if, you know, like this. I think it just adds to the grunginess of a project that you're probably going to be making with something like this anyways. But yeah, so I used the icing paste with that, and they turn out amazing. And I think that's it. That's all I got for you guys. But yeah, so here's another look at the Seahorse here. Let me see. I absolutely love this, and I cannot wait to create a project with these items here. And yeah, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I love to read your comments, so leave one down below letting me know if you have any Stamperia products, or if you if this is your first time hearing about this company. I would love to know. Also, if you are new to my channel, I hope you subscribe and hit that bell so you're notified every time that I upload a video. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye!